Welcome to Shopify tutorial series. This is Kamrul and today I am going to show you how to add a sticky add to cart button in your Shopify product page. So a sticky add to cart button can boost conversions by making it super easy for customers to buy your product. So to add a sticky add to cart button in your product page, log in your Shopify admin panel and go to the apps sections. Click on the apps. Now select apps and sales settings. Click on the Shopify App Store. Now search this sticky add to cart keyword in this search box. You will see these multiple add to cart apps available. So I'm just using this app now and click install. Click install again. Okay, it's install complete and now we need to some customization and then I will activate it. Then it will visible our product page. So if you need to activate, you can click on this activate intimidator. So before the activated these apps, we need some customizations. So when to show this when user starts scrolling, always on display when user scroll fast to add to cart button. So I just select when user scroll fast the add to cart button. Then this mobile location top or bottom, we can select just bottom for now and style complete minimal. So you can choose anyone and then sticky on desktop when user scroll fast the add to cart button. Desktop location top or bottom, so we just select on top for now. And bar height small medium large, okay. Bar content width, button size small or large. Show product title, show compared price, show variant selector, show quantity selector, select quantity selector. Show on home page. If you want to show this sticky add to cart button on the home page, so you can select show home on home page and you can customize this color based on your store brand, your branding color. And after that, just click on save. You can see the analytics here, impression, clicks, CTR, order, revenue, everything you can manage and check from here. So after all the customization, click on activate the intimidator. Now select the theme editor is activated. Now click save. Click save. Let's visit our product page. There is no sticky add to cart button now, so I reload this page. Now we can visit and scroll down. Yes, we can see this sticky add to cart button. Now we can select this. You customer select the variant, increase the quantity, and click add to cart. So that's it for now. Thank you.